T-Rex! He is eating my pizza! That is a very hungry dinosaur, Tom.
It is really coming down out there. Good thing we are warm and dry in here. Here you go, folks. No rush at all. Terrible weather out there tonight.
I think this is exactly the kind of night meant for hot food. Thank you, Dan. This was a lovely meal. Dad, the TV.
Officials are asking all residents to stay indoors immediately. We are receiving multiple reports of people becoming violent and attacking others in the street. This is not a drill. Find shelter now.
Sarah, get the kids up. We're leaving right now.
Mom, what's happening?
It's okay. Stay with me. Tom, hold my hand. Emma, stay close to me. Not the front door. This way. Through the kitchen.
Move, stay together. Run, now!
What's happening?
Just run, don't stop.
I'm scared!
Everyone hold hands. Don't let go no matter what.
Stay together. Keep moving.
This way, stay close. There, the car. Everyone in, fast.
Don't stop. Keep moving.
Everyone inside, we have to go.
Yes, go, go!
Hold on.
They're getting closer.
I see them. Floor it.
I'm scared!
Watch your heads. Hold on.
Bonnet's clearing. We're moving. Tom, we're moving.
Is it working? Are we going?
We're going.
Left, left now.
I see it.
3 ahead, gap in the middle.
Got it.
Dad, there's one.
Road's clearing. We're getting out.
Are you both all right?
Yes. Mm-hmm. Where are we going, Dad?
Somewhere safe. I promise. There it is! Hurry!
Emma, keep up!
Dad, I'm scared!
Come on! Come on!
Dad! They are coming!
Inside. Both of you, now.
We're in. We're safe. It can't get through that door.
We're okay. We're all okay. We made it.
Is it really stuck outside?
Yes. This door is steel. Thick walls all around us. Nothing is getting in here. Mum and I built it strong for exactly this.
You really did think of everything, Dad.
I hoped I would never have to use it. But I am so glad it was here tonight.
Listen. They're telling people to stay where they are and wait for help.
Then that's what we do. We wait. Together, right here.
Dad, look! There's a garden in here.
An indoor garden. Mum's idea. It grows on its own light. No sun needed down here.
Look at that. They actually grew. We'll have fresh vegetables, even down here.
Can I eat this one? I'm so hungry.
Not yet. Save it. Tonight, let's all cook dinner together.
Between the garden and what we packed, we have everything we need. We're going to be okay.
Mike, those tomato pieces are getting bigger, not smaller.
It's a rustic cut. Very fashionable.
I'm setting the table. One bowl for everyone.
Good food and the people you love. That's really all a kitchen needs, wherever it is.
To being together. That is the only thing I was ever really protecting.
We really were brave tonight. All of us.
Whatever is happening out there, we made it here together. That is what matters most.
This is delicious.
You outdid yourself, love.
It's the best spaghetti ever! I love it.
We're safe here.